I'm Deanna Johnston and I'm from Longreach. I'm a young farming champion for wool. My job currently is a shearing demonstrator. Here I am today at the Sydney Royal Easter Show School Preview Day. What I'm here to do is to teach children about wool. That wool can come from the sheep's back to yours.
Hi everyone, my name's Lucy. I'm a biosecurity officer for my job. Bio means living and secure means we look after it. So I look after things that are living and I help farmers do that. So let's ask a question.
Which animal produces wool? Is it a pig? Is it a sheep? Is it a cow? Or is it a chicken? Hold your answer up nice and high and we'll come round and get the answers off you.
Let's see what the answer is. Comes from a sheep.
Now you all know wool comes from a sheep. They grow it themselves. Wool can be used to do what? Build houses, make hand cream, waterproof your shoes, or all of those things. What can wool do?
So a lot of people said waterproof your shoe. What's the right answer?
It can do it all.
It can do all of those things.
For insulation, to keep it warm in the winter and cold in summer.
Does a scientist work in the wool industry? Most people said they don't. So, does a scientist work in the wool industry?
So we can use a scientist every day to look at our wool.
Scientists help keep our sheep healthy. They help design the things that come to you, the garments. It all comes through a scientist.
When the sheep gets shorn, this is what it comes off as. Does everyone want to have a feel of that? Feel how nice and soft it is? That is pure merino wool.
It's quite hard.
Yeah, it's different, isn't it? It's quite different.
And it's sticky.
Yeah, this is what gets made into your jumpers and to your jackets. It goes into processes and then it gets washed to turn into this type of wool. Now feel how soft this wool is. This wool's even softer. And then after that, it gets made into jackets. So this is made out of wool. You wouldn't believe it, would you? Now, I'm going to pour some water on this. Do you reckon it's going to soak it up or do you reckon it'll fall off?
Soak it up.
Soak it up? Rightio, ready? Ready? It's not going to soak it up. Play with it, let the water roll around.
Oh my god. It looks satisfying.
Wool does not soak up water. So when you wear this as a raincoat, you're not going to get wet. Yeah, so I'll pour a little bit more on.
This is made out of lanolin. So lanolin comes from wool. So just take a little and rub it into your hands.
But how do you make it?
It comes from the
Thank
wool.
you.
They take it out when they process it.
So these are the remaining, not the bits that you use for.
So the fibre stays and makes the garment.
So this they take out to make hand cream.
Yep. Thank you.